Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a heater core. First, ensure your vehicle is cool and then disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. Next, you'll need to drain the cooling system completely. Locate the radiator drain cock, usually at the bottom of the radiator, and open it. Place a suitable container underneath to catch the coolant. Finally, begin by carefully removing the center console and any lower dash trim panels to gain access. With the lower trim removed, the next major step involves the dashboard itself. You'll need to carefully remove the steering column, ensuring all electrical connectors are properly disconnected. Take photos as you go to aid reassembly. Then, locate and detach all the dashboard assembly mounting bolts and clips. With everything unfastened, gently lift and remove the entire dashboard from the vehicle. This step requires patience and often a second pair of hands. Once the dashboard is out, you'll have clear access to the heater box. This large plastic housing contains the heater core. Carefully remove all the retaining screws and clips securing the heater box. Gently separate the housing halves to expose the old heater core. Extract the old core, noting its orientation. Then, install the new heater core into the housing, making sure it seats correctly and all seals are in place for a leak-free connection. Now it's time for the reverse process. Reassemble the heater box, ensuring all screws are tightened. Carefully reinstall the dashboard, reconnecting all electrical connectors and mounting bolts. Don't forget the steering column. Once everything is back in place, refill the cooling system with the correct coolant mixture and bleed any air from the system. Finally, check for leaks and test your heater. For an amazing home upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.